In this lecture, we're going to be learning how we can join objects together. We're going to be able to join two or more meshes to form a single object. These meshes become part of a single structure and can be edited together. We're also going to look at how we can separate meshes into separate objects, and we're going to look at why we may do this. So, let's log into Blender. So what we're going to do is I currently have a scene set out where I have my central cylinder and I have two cubes. To join two items together, to join two meshes together, you must click on one, then click on the one you want it to join to, so in my case the cylinder, and you will notice that the first selected object is no longer a yellow highlight but a reddish pinkish highlight. This means two objects have been selected. To join these two together, we're going to press Ctrl and the letter J. Ctrl and J. And now we can see that both objects are highlighted, and now they come under a single, if we come away and come back again, they come under a single object, cylinder. So these two are two different parts of the same object. So where's the cube gone here? Well, if we press the plus button next to cylinder, we can see that we have both available. So now both of these are part of the cylinder mesh. What this does mean, however, is that we can edit these two objects in the same edit mode. So we don't have to come out of edit mode into object mode and select a different object. We can just do it straight from edit mode. The second way of joining an object together is to select the first object, select the object you want to attach it to, so once again it's going to be the cylinder, and then come over to the tools bar and press join. And now all three meshes are part of a single object. Once again, if we press tab to go into edit mode, then we can clearly see that we can edit any of our three objects, and we can still edit them independently of one another. So we could still create a car out of this, a bus out of this cube, and a limousine out of this cube, this cylinder, sorry. And we can do all that in one edit mode without any influence on each other. It does become an influence though in object mode, because they're in the same object bracket of cylinder. When you manipulate one, you manipulate all. So we press G and all have been grabbed. We press S and all are scaled. It all behaves as a single object. In part 2 of this joining and separating tutorial, we're going to learn how we can separate these objects. So we've learned in this lecture how to join them. In the next lecture, we're going to learn how to separate them. I'll see you then, guys.